In today's video, I'm going to teach you HubSpot AI Agents overview and setup. We're going to walk through the basic process of finding HubSpot's AI agent tools, choosing the right type of agent, and setting it up so it can actually support your business. This is a great starting point if you're new to HubSpot AI Agents and want a simple overview of how the setup flow works. To begin, log into your HubSpot account and make sure you're on the main dashboard or home area. Starting from the main account view makes it easier to access the global tools and settings you'll need for setup. Once you're inside HubSpot, look for the Breeze icon. This is where HubSpot's AI features are organized, so this is your entry point for working with agents. Click on that Breeze icon to open the AI area. From there, click on Breeze Marketplace. The marketplace is where you can browse the different AI agent options available to you. Think of this as the central place where HubSpot presents the agent types you can deploy depending on your use case. Next, select the specific agent type you want to use. Depending on what you're trying to accomplish, this could be an agent designed for customer conversations or another business function. Once you find the one you want, click Configure or Add to begin the setup. Take a moment here to choose carefully because the rest of the setup will be based on that agent's purpose. After that, set up the data inputs and tools for the agent. This part is important because it determines what information the agent can access and what systems or resources it can use to do its job. In other words, you're defining the agent's working environment. Make sure the inputs you connect are relevant and useful so the agent can respond accurately and operate effectively. The next step is to train the agent with knowledge and instructions. This is where you guide how the agent should behave and what it should know. You'll want to provide clear information, helpful context, and practical instructions so the agent can give better responses and align with your business needs. The clearer your training material is, the better your results will usually be. Finally, if you're setting up a customer agent, assign it to your communication channels. This can include places like live chat, email, or Facebook Messenger. Connecting the agent to the right channels allows it to begin interacting with visitors where your audience is already reaching out. Be thoughtful about which channels you enable so the rollout feels manageable and consistent. And that's the overview of setting up HubSpot AI agents. Once everything is connected, trained, and assigned, your agent is ready to start supporting conversations and workflows inside HubSpot.